So my friend has a chronic cough, a white tongue, and feeling like something's stuck in the throat. Those could all be signs of what we call silent acid reflux. If you was one of my clients, I would either start with the Pylo-Purge or the yeast purge to kill some hidden H. pylori or some hidden yeast and other bacteria that live inside the mouth and the esophagus. I think I would start with the Pylo-Purge because it contains 2 types of curcumin that can reduce the pain and inflammation in the esophagus when you pour them into water. So I'd start there. Try that for a month, see how you feel. If it feels better, I'd stick with it. If it doesn't, I'd move on and do exactly the same thing with the yeast purge.